Now I am going to teach 11th standard physics lesson 3 laws of motion. First, Newton's law of motion. Before we learn the Newton's law of motion, shall I tell what is rest, what is motion, what is uniform motion? So already I taught in lesson 2 rest, motion, uniform motion, velocity, acceleration, everything. So first, what is mean by rest? Does not change its position is called rest. So the object do not change their position or is said to be rest. Example, a book lying on the table, the walls of the room, trees, buildings, all are rest. Never change its position. So the object does not change, do not change their position is called rest. Then what is meant by motion? Object to change their position with respect to time is called motion. Example, moving vehicle, bus, car, train are moving. So is said to be in motion. So one more example, a person sitting in a moving bus is at a rest with respect to a fellow passenger. A person sitting in a moving bus with respect to fellow passenger, the person is at rest, never change its position. Second one is a motion. A person sitting in a moving bus is at rest with a fellow passenger, but is in motion. A person sitting in a moving bus with respect to outside the person. So this is called rest and motion. So rest means the object does not change their position is called rest. Motion means the object changes its position with respect to time is called motion. Then Newton's first law of motion. So every object continues to be in the state of rest or uniform motion. So what is meant by uniform motion? So already I thought a body moving in a straight line. A body covers equal distance, equal interval of time is called uniform motion. So different types of motion I thought in lesson 2. Linear motion or translatory motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, vibration motion, random motion. So what is linear motion? A body moving in a straight line or the path of the body is straight path is called linear motion. Example, a coconut falling down vertically from the tree. Its path is straight line. Or the lift move up and down vertically is straight line. Then a person walking by a road is the path of the man is straight. So this is called linear motion. Circular motion. The object moving in a circular path. Moving object possesses circular path is called circular motion. Example, take a stone, tie to the thread, rotate the stone revolving in a circular path is an example of circular motion. Otherwise, planets revolve around the sun is circular path is circular motion. Satellite revolve around the earth. The satellite path is circular path, so that is called circular motion. Then oscillatory or vibration motion, to and fro motion. A body moves front and back about the main position is called oscillatory or vibratory motion. Example, oscillation of a simple pendulum, oscillation of a pedal string is examples of oscillatory or vibratory motion. Random motion, the object move different speed, different direction, that is zigzag motion is called random motion. Example, heavy traffics, the vehicles moving in heavy traffics are examples of random motion. Then what is meant by uniform motion? What is meant by non-uniform motion? Moving object possess equal distance, equal interval of time. That is, moving object covers equal distance, equal interval of time is called uniform motion. Non-uniform motion, moving object covers equal distance, unequal distance, equal interval of time is called non-uniform motion. Example, uniform motion, a car or a bus moving in a straight road, it has no traffic, so it covers 10 km per 1 hour. It reaches near the bus stand, so heavy traffic, so does not cover 10 km per 1 hour, so it covers less than 10 km per 1 hour. Here distance unequal, time is equal, this is called non-uniform motion. For one more example, a person walking on the road, it covers 5 km per 1 hour, next 5 km per 1 hour, next 5 km per 1 hour. Here distance is equal, time equal, this is called uniform motion. So next one, uniform circular motion, non-uniform circular motion. A body moving in a circular path, it covers equal distance, equal interval of time, that is, it moves in a circular path with constant speed is called uniform circular motion. While moving in a circular path, speed is not constant, is called non-uniform circular motion. So Newton's first law of motion states that every object continues to be in the state of rest or uniform motion unless there is an external force act on it. Example, a book is at rest, it continues to be in the state of rest, it does not change its position. When the position of the book will changes, a force act on the book. So once force act on the book position will be changes. So this is examples of Newton's first law of motion. So finally, Newton's first law states that without help of external force, without help of any force, does not change their position of an object, is called Newton's first law of motion.